How to zoom in on PC. Well, if you're having trouble working with small details on your screen, then zooming in would really help you a lot with your work. But how do we do that? Don't worry, since after watching this video, you'll surely be able to do it easy peasy. So here are the ways to do this on PC. Actually, in some apps in Windows, you could just press the control button and plus simultaneously on the keyboard to zoom in. Also with your mouse, you could zoom in by pressing the control button while scrolling the mouse wheel upward. However, not all apps would allow that, so you could try using the magnifier app instead. By pressing the Windows button and plus at the same time, the magnifier app will be launched immediately. This works on Windows 10 and 8, but if you got Windows 7, then navigate first to the Start menu. Next, type in magnifier into the search bar. After that, click it in the results, then you've got the app running. To maximize the tool, click the gear icon and click Go to Settings. There, you could change the view to lens that acts as a magnifying glass. Then dock, that as you move the cursor around, it would zoom in the content in the box. And full screen, where you could press the plus sign to zoom in. Also, while browsing, just click the browser's menu. It's the three dots at the upper right corner. Then you'll see the zoom option, which, by clicking the plus sign, it would zoom in. With all that, zooming in on your PC would be easy peasy. You've just discovered an amazing guide about zooming in on PC. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.